Yeah, my name is Timmy. I'm a singer. I'm a songwriter. I'm a part-time house husband with 3 children. Popularity means nothing, if it does not affect if it does not affect life. You don't understand? You can have all the money in this world. If you can't spend it, you don't have money. You're as good as the person that does not have at all. You see, let me tell you something that you learned today that I will tell you. Knowledge is not power. You know they tell you that knowledge is power is a lie. Knowledge is not power. Application of knowledge is power. If no matter the amount of air you have in your stomach, if you cannot breathe, you don't have nothing. You understand my point? So your first job as humans is to acquire knowledge. But the most important job is to apply that knowledge. If you can sing, like, trust me, there are people that are in this room that can sing better than me. No, see, listen to me. Don't be quick to say no. Don't be quick to say, you're lying. Nah. You admire me because I'm applying. This is why I'm standing out, like you have seen me like I'm out, because I'm applying, and I've applied it over time. You have seen me over, and in your mind, you're going to say, this guy can really sing. The difference between me and you is what I know and apply, and you know. You are not just confident enough to try it. That's the difference between me and you. You are as a result of what you know. You understand me? Everything you know here, there's another level to it. Everything you think you have learned here in this place is just the beginning. There are levels to this thing. There are levels to knowledge, If you're the best in this class, if you go to another class, you probably be down there, like they cannot even notice you. You show up in some places, you feel intimidated. You know why? They know more than you and they apply more than you. Give yourself 6 months in that space where these people are. Learn what they learn, and this will be saying when they say, we're going to balance it. I don't know what I'm saying though, but then we're going to balance the data corrugate. This is from the other side of the cable of this stuff like that. You just say, but I think we should take it from the back end. In 6 months after, you get what I'm saying? In 6 months after, you have been in the midst of great people. You have taken upon yourself to know that there is another level to this thing. And you have learned. You see, we used to say in church, wisdom is the principal thing, therefore get wisdom. Wisdom is the principal thing, therefore get wisdom. Wisdom is the principal thing, therefore get wisdom. But the most important part of that scripture, they don't used to say it. In all of that getting, get understanding. Are you following what I'm saying? Because the problem with us in church, they used to preach half scriptures. It's the truth. You see, that's the difference between common and uncommon. It's the extra work you put. Excuse me, sir. I didn't get it, sir. There's no shame. And this thing that you just said now, I don't understand now. This thing that you just said now. Let me not join my friends and be saying, but you don't get it. You don't get it. You are here to get it. You understand? The whole idea for you to go to whatever level you want to go is to get it. You can't just imagine that you come to this place after you've listened. Yay. Let him talk. You didn't get it. Who did you fool? Your job as a scholar, as a human being, is not to impress anybody. It's not. It's not your fine dress, your beautiful smile, your hair, your eloquence. Don't nobody care at the end of the day. Because when you want to sleep and wake up, when life is required of you, you must talk what you don't know. You get? So it's not like that fine girl in this class. Man, this girl just be my friend. So always walking around like just be doing like this. But you don't have sense. But you know in your heart that you know Sabi. wouldn't it be embarrassing? Like, just imagine that you're a man, your child just asks you, so daddy, I have this problem. Simultaneous equation with 3 variables. Yay! You don't remember that time? You can't remember that time you need to show up for class. Hey! You just see those angry parents, right? What are you doing in class? Didn't they teach this thing? Didn't they teach this thing? Why is the school fee this much? And you don't know this simple thing. You don't know it. Let me tell you how the human mind is. Why people shout, angry, jump, judge this? If you don't know it, your conscience will be telling you, I don't know it. And the conscience is the senior prefect of everything. People that do bad things in this world, leave them. See their conscience, conscience like that. You know that your landlord that when they live near you. Reduce the volume, sir. This is my house, it's not your house. So all I'm saying is that you get to know. No, don't know it for anybody else. Know it for that. See, oh man, to thy own self be true. Not for anybody, for yourself. Fine goatee, nice glasses, mommy. When you go make no sense if you don't have sense. Follow me. See, the word is simple. The first person to impress in this walk of life is yourself. Every other person that's surplus. The dream you have was given to you. Everybody else can be wrong. Just imagine Jeff Bezos was telling them, don't worry, I won't own any shop, but I will sell everything. Everybody look at madman. Damn shop, you want to be selling things. How is that possible?
It's not only selling things that you have to. It's not like TV.
Just follow. See, your dream was given to you, not everybody else. Your job is to show up and chase the dream. Every other thing, now distraction. You know what distraction is? Distraction. You can't do everything. You see, let me tell you another thing that they taught us in church that is a lie. I can do all things to Christ that strengthens me. Don't follow that thing. You will die for nothing. You'll be busy doing everything and doing nothing. I can do everything doesn't mean you can do anything. You don't understand? You will pick that place, that thing that you have a strong place for, and you will focus on it and do it very well. That is how the world will know you. Just imagine me now. All of a sudden, I'm hearing that scripture and I knock my head. Today, I'm a NEPA man. Today, I will fix meter. Today, pastor, you got me. My meter has been acting up. I can do all things to Christ, the strengthens me. I go and climb ladder. It's shocking. Well, let's it shock me. You now hear, with gratitude to God for a life well spent, we now regret to announce the untimely death. You understand? You're happy that I'm dead and they're still regretting. People will come to my bed and chop fried rice. Ask why is the fish small. I'm saying funny things, but I'm saying the truth to you. Is the truth. You can't do everything. Find your strong place and focus on it. Let me tell you, as I'm here, no people have not read book. Do you know Ababio? Textbook. Back to back. In my life, I grew up with my grandmother. My grandmother used to tell me, read book, oh. You see all these things I do, like if you don't read book. Then in our area, there used to be men, they used to play draft. You know draft? All those men that used to have job in the morning, they were not playing draft. I mean buying, that's what they call tombo. Tombo means palm wine. Those men, they don't have job. Their wives to go and be doing things. Then they would say, my grandmother, I don't even know that. Thank God they did not even beat us one morning. She just dragged my ear to those men area. I say, if you don't want to be like this useless man, read book. So in my life, I thought, hey, this book will die here. Piano KK, I've finished it. I was a science student too. Hardcore. My focus was one petroleum engineering thing. Then I now work in Shell. And I live in Shell camp. Then when I be go for vacation, I had this whole thing figured out, man. Like I had this whole thing figured out. Like, I will not be calm down. That time, they used to give them car every 2 years. It was Honda Civic. I killed them. In my head, I'm just like, sometimes we just go out. My friends used to live in share camp. I'll just go, just see that share club. Wow! So we can your children go and play there, we speaking phone, they will go to all this British school. See my life in another person. Just imagine how frustrated I would have been. I would be singing the whole office. Yeah. They said, Timmy, please, did you copy you for that? So they copied me. You must find that thing that gives you purpose. That thing, it might not be this exact thing that you're doing, but no knowledge is a waste. You get me? In this life, no knowledge is a waste. I would write a verse of a song 4 months ago. I will not throw it away. One day, the chorus will come and meet me. That's how the mind is. You must question what you have been told and taught. That is the way to get to the next level. If everything I tell you are true, if you have a friend that everything they agree to, that person is not your friend though. If you have a friend that everything you say they agree to, that person is not your friend. You get some friendship, you want to go fight, better fight 3 months. And I'm not saying they miss each other. Stupid idiot, that thing. But you know that person is your guy. The thing they complete without that person. That's how it is. Friction, and they make us. Just imagine that this place is smooth like this. If I take one step, I'm at the end now. In falling will I fall? You get my point? Life is not an easy place. It wasn't meant to be. It was an easy place. You just come, just put onto your head. All information that you need in this place will just enter your brain one time. But it's a process. It's a process. You learn, you unlearn, you relearn. I'm not in a class, but I didn't know these things. Because I read a book for this life of my brother. You get my point? So make sure that everything that you're learning, you need it. I paid school fees, I slept for 4 hours. Hot afternoon, I don't even on AC. So what are these children learning? If my father hear my children's school fees, probably have stroke. Say, what? Whose school did you go to? Akara school. Did you not finish? Are you not wise? So you get my point. You're important. You're important. You, as I hear, you're important. Let nobody make you feel less. If you know where you're going to, you know where they go, so you just imagine they're invited for party where big boys they go, and you get Ivy. You know the rush. When you go to the event, you know that people they say, excuse me, sir, can I join you inside? That confidence went from when you know that you have showed up in life prepared. That's what you should. That's what this whole place is. That you acquire knowledge that you apply. So when they call you, because I'm a musician, I've seen people that can sing rubbish, but their confidence is attractive.
Yes.
People can sing rubbish, but the confidence they have, like you'll be convinced. You'll be convinced. When you know something, it gives you a certain level of confidence as a person. Just imagine that after you finish this place, like somebody come ask you questions that you tear, that you can tear. You first of all, you don't even rush the answer. You say, sit down. These are the kind of things, yeah? I think these are simple questions. I think you're not called one. Let me call one of my junior colleagues. You see that kind of confidence because you know it. You know the meet me by 4, so that you don't read it. That's what. You are here to learn. Forget all the jiving. There are those things that are extra benefits. When you learn, trust me. As a man, I'll tell you, there will always be fine women. I'll tell you the truth now, auntie. There will always be fine boys. You're young, some of the things I don't know before, now I know them. Let me give you one of them. To the ladies, you see, men are attracted to fine girls. It is natural. Even as I'm here, if I see this girl fine, I'll say it in my head, for the nice pillow and press my neck at home, but I'll say it in my head. But let me give you another difference. A man will live to respect a woman that has. If you know they walk in the day house every day, when your husband come and then they bring food, excuse me, all the food they chop for this house. He will tell you that one day. But if one or two come back, darling, I think I'll take care of the fees this time. He will not talk to you anymore. It's the truth about life. You see what causes contempt, yeah? It's familiarity. It's natural for the human being. Natural. It's not something that we learn. Travel to London, come back next week. You will not watch play the first day. I'm telling you practical tips. Travel, in short, go Benin. Go Cotonou here. So school is taking me to Cotonou and this, you take picture, you send to your mother on your WhatsApp family group. The day you show up in that house, that first day you not wash plate. The second day, they will come and wake you up, breakfast. Oh, hey, this weekend they make us proud. 4 days after, Kule, stop that nonsense. Carry your plate. Carry your plate now. Dirty picking. You are getting my practical tips about life, yeah? It's like that. You must place yourself in the place where you'll be respected. Can't be showing up everywhere. 2 friends are gathering for all these things, you are there. Small chops gathering, you are there. People are thinking of smoking weed party, you are there. They're not smoking it at all. Boy, brown beans party, you are there. It's not now they will start the group. You can't be available for everybody. That's how you have respect. Sometimes they invite me, oh, no problem, give me the IV. But I'm not going to come. After a while, they don't know, this boy will not show up for this thing. Let's not waste it. Because another truth is that I don't have plenty clothes. To be going for premiere every time, they say, so clothes for premiere. My sister, I have school fees to pay. That thing is to give me heart pain. I still don't get it. They'll go to school, they'll still come to the house and fight. But then pay school fees. You understand? You have to value, self-worth is a beautiful thing to carry. Self-worth. You know, like you might not have money, but the way you respect yourself, even in a company, in a gathering, people will respect you. You might come from the brokest family in this house, but the way you show up and present yourself. Good morning, how are you? You don't need to talk much. How are you doing today? Yeah. People, I'm not seeing in this, except that person is mad from their village. I greet you, good morning, ma'am. Hi, go and sit in my seat. You come and meet me, thunder will fire you today. You are mad in your spirit. How do you greet me like that? You must know that person, something is wrong with them. You must carry yourself like I own a part of this world. Though. That is, people don't buy fine faces. People pay for value that you bring. You get? People don't buy all these guys. Later come and you're roaming around my office. No. People pay for value. Like if I see this guy and this guy is a wonderful songwriter. And I write song. And I think in my head, if me and this guy collaborate here, but we go do magical. It's my guy all together. It's not a competition amongst ourselves. Collaboration is the word. If I know what you don't know. See, when they say 2 heads are better than 1, it's a lie. That is the lie. 2 bad heads. 2 bad heads can never be good, better than 1 good head. The real thing is 2 good heads are better than 1 good head. You understand? Imagine 2 people that don't know anything. They say two heads. Two heads are destructive. They will come out with foolishness that will astonish all of us here. Wow, is that what you came up with? You get? You, gifts are important. You are important to this world. You know why? You must find that thing that you can solve. What's the name? Rafiat. You must find that thing. I see, even as I comment like this, I think you're a very beautiful woman. Beauty is not... Don't let nobody come and pressure you. Beauty is not... There's some fine girls, when they talk here, you say, oh, I wish she didn't say nothing. It's true. Some people are just like hips, teeth, fine eyelashes. When they talk here, you say, oh, auntie, you would have kept quiet. Oh. My notion of you would have just been like, there's one fine girl. But now, come. You don't want to be that person. You don't want to be that person in this life. Just imagine. Let me tell you what tragedy is. Tragedy is not death. Tragedy is not death. Tragedy is that opportunity you're waiting for, when it shows up, you're unprepared. Just imagine, like, man, you got this thing, like, you want to work in CBN, then I call you for interview. Just say, so what is a fiscal policy of? You have no idea. That's tragedy. The opportunity just shows up and you unprepared. That is tragedy. There's nothing as painful as that. Then they come in for audition. Hi Timmy, what's up? We want you to sing at the Grammy. I reached there. Okay, give us a song, you know. And I do and now tell me. You know that one of the most painful things they can tell anybody is, we'll get to you later. They probably never will. If somebody will employ you, they'll employ you. You get? Because you bring something to the table that nobody else has. Even in this place where you are, what you're supposed to do is distinguishing yourself in this place that you even have. In economics, it's called the principle of comparative. I went to school very well. So forget all this. We are. I went to school very well. It's called the principle of comparative advantage. The principle of comparative advantage. It means that place that you have a strong point, do it. If you're a doctor, be a doctor. Don't try to cut your children's hair, clear the garden, sweep outside. You will wear yourself thin. The time they used to improve yourself, you won't have that distance. You get me? Priska, how are you? You are important. You see, the reason why you sit down here to this point in time is because you feel like there's something you will gain and there's something that you apply. If it's a useless place, trust me, after the first day, you won't come again. You are here because of belief, and belief is a beautiful armor. You have to arm yourself in this world that we are. Like, ask him, every time you come and say, I'm reading one book, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Guess why? The competition is stiff. Even people that know the thing, some of them don't have jobs. People that really know the thing, some of them don't have a job. So you have to arm yourself with something extra. If there's any opportunity to learn, my brother, there's no shame in labor. People say, no, I can't do that thing. No. You were sitting at home before. You're not doing anything. There's dignity in labor. Forget what anybody says to you that I want to be well known. That's not a bad idea though. But the question is now, for what? What do you want to use the popularity to do? You can be popular and be anyhow. But you must think of what you want to use the popularity to do. If I come online and write something, people will take it serious. Because I don't go and smoke weed somewhere. They say, Timmy talking from Igbo. No. You must be fearlessly pursuing your dream daily. Guess what? It's 24 hours. Remember when you were 12 years old? Was it too far from now? You see, time is not... See, somebody said the future started yesterday. You are already late. If you think you have time on your hands, trust me. One day, somebody will just come and say, hey, baby, marry me. And the stakes will be higher because there will be children involved. Tick, tick, says the clock. Tick, tick. What you have to do quick. I have this principle that works for me. Let me tell you before I finish. It's time. It's the lie we tell ourselves, there's no time. There's no time to do that extra 20 minutes, that extra 15 minutes. One small distraction, you have stood up and go and watch Telemonday and check up all people's WhatsApp status, finish. Do you know how long it takes to check people's Insta story and WhatsApp message and people's tweets and gossips? Probably 1 hour. And in all of those things, we see shout, there's no time. There's no time. The one that will curse and say, look at this monkey. I've been messaging you since you're not replying. But you're changing picture. You get my point? There is time if you think the thing is valuable. If I say, come to Ikorodu and collect 800,000, my brother, that's how you should chase your dream. If I say, come to Ikorodu is even far. You even call your mommy. Mommy, somebody said I should come to Ekiti. There's 1 million there. You will find a way. That's how you should find a way with your dreams. And again, you must learn. See, let me tell you. You see, you must learn to save money now that you're young. My brother, if you can survive on 2K, you can survive on 1. Listen to me now. You must be disciplined. See, let me tell you, let anybody not lie to you in this world. Money is important. Forget that thing. Again, I come back to our church. Let nobody tell you no lie. Money is important. See, in every sphere of life, money is important, and money respect those that respect it. Money respect people that respect it. If you're not disciplined with 10,000, you can't be disciplined with 1 million. You can never. You will buy things you don't need. You think you're okay like this now? Get 1 million. You think this shoe are sports? You would think where you're living today. If you have 4 million, say, well, no, I don't belong here. You have moved to another place because you are not disciplined. You think this your nice shoe that you're wearing like this now? No, not my type of guy. I don't wear this. This is your shirt that you rock here, like rock it, like. Don't let you come and say, come on, Gucci for the gang. Gang. One Hennessy, gang. Money respect those that respect it. I indulge. Remember this. If you forget everything that I've told you here, don't forget that you have to. All of you have account here, yeah? Yeah, all of you have account here. Why don't you have account? How old are you? 16 years cannot open account? No. Which kind of country is this again? No. Excuse me. What? Then they should sign. Hey, my children have accounts. My children have accounts. Your parents have to sign. Let me just tell you now. You must forget everything that I've told you here. There will be problems will come. You can't avoid it in this life and in the next. Problem will come if you have. See, you know when you finish school, they stop giving you money. That's how life happens, my dear. That's how you know when you're in secondary school, you start pocket money, have you? The day you drop your pen, bam! May the grace of our Lord Jesus Christ happen to you. So if you have money today, if you have, let me be the first person to give you 1,000. So you go and put in your account. If you ever have an account, just remember me today so that when you become a billionaire. Thank you. This one is not for you to eat. It's not for you to buy something. It's for you to remember that I said, have an account so you can save money.
Thank you.
Take. No, it has not finished. Don't be worried. You can't just change. What? How can you get to me the money I finished? They not coming before. Okay. I'm not dashing you money. I'm not dashing you money. I'm dashing you an experience. You must learn to save money. I'm giving you. See this 1K I'm giving you, yeah? If I did not have, where would I have given you from? I'm not giving you because I'm proud. I'm not giving you because I think I don't have things to do with my money. I do. My children are very expensive. Today is costume day. The things I bought. My children are expensive. Today is costume day. They bought 3 things. That thing can buy me suits. I said, no, this costume, you wear it to church. You cannot throw it away after now. You will look like Cinderella and go to church for Sunday. It can't happen. I'm a nature man. This 1K I'm giving you now is a seed for you to know that money is important. Even the Bible says money is a defense. People can't talk to you anyhow if you have money. People can't talk to you anyhow, trust me. In family meeting, even if you're the last child and you want to have money, you see they will tell you to speak first. She got to speak first, better picking. Everybody will listen. It's your cool, shogbo. This year, even if you are talking nonsense, say, how do you see you're saying? Sense will not kill you. In fact, you have spoken for the whole family. For the whole, in short, meeting close here. Nobody says anything. My son has spoken. You must save money. Because the day will come when it will be required of you. to do certain things. Just imagine, you see, like, the reason why our parents were angry when we were small. You know that they were really angry with us. So, come on, off the TV! Every time watching TV, is a lie. They are thinking of money. They are not their problem. What is wrong with a child watching TV? If you just open fridge small, every time food, you are eating. Every time, it's a lie. It's joy for my child to open fridge and chop biscuit. It's not a bad thing now. There's nothing wrong with a child opening fridge and eating biscuits because he feels that you are just chopping. You don't know what I'm going through. You are just here, 2 biscuits, 1 chin, this thing. It's the point. There are certain things that, see, I posted something the other day. I say, many things they were shouting, Father God, I need a miracle. You're wasting your time. You don't need a miracle, you need money. There are certain things. Let me tell you miracle. Miracle, when you need miracle is when you have fibroid or something that you need God to solve. Something that money can solve. You don't trust me, I don't have to pray certain kind of prayer. I don't think plenty witches want to kill me. You understand my point? It's when you have money, there's the way you even think. I'm begging, carrying a while ago. Maybe everything concerns you. See those men who they drag for bus stop about newspaper, they don't get what to do. Money no more schools Arsenal. Nah, joblessness. Just imagine packing my Benz and just coming out. Morino. Every time you spoil something. Like I don't know what I'm doing. You must have, put it in your mind, like when you have money, it's not for you. Yes, even if your family pour from back, they come. Make it be you, the generation. You go change that mindset. Be the one that changes where you are coming from. Do you understand? When we're small, our TV, somebody will be turning it from outside. They will be watching. It's on the show. Change. Hey! Now we the take away outside. The boss won't die now. The boss won't die. But now it's not DSTV. Have my TV. My children have their TV. You know, consign me. Life will be easier when you have money. If you don't see a poor man, they think. They think say people will go rob one day. Then money will come from the bag. You come pick up. What kind of lazy? People stole money. You think that the money will roll out from the van and you will carry it and you will go. See, let us meet in the future in one what they call it. Let us meet in the future in one gentleman's club. We were talking about. So I just started this business. It's worth 2 billion. You know the sweet conversation. Let us not meet and say, you not gonna believe it. You not gonna believe what my landlord do. God forbid to you people to have that kind of discussion. You understand? So you must put in the work now that you are young. It is garbage. You know this thing, garbage in, garbage out. If you feel that you have to travel to Wisconsin to get it, my friend, in a haze run. You don't understand me? There's no one place. There's no one. You see, you owe this world some goodness. You get me? You owe this world some form of goodness. And let it come out of you. Let it be. You know how that joy. You know my father never told me I'm proud of you till one day like that. I invited him to government house in Bayelsa and asked my phone. Now he's fine. He used to collect my money last. He used to come. That day he told me, my pikin, I'm proud of you. Hi. Like, nothing else did matter. You understand that thing? Nothing else. Every other thing in that event, even the money they gave me, did not matter as much as every child looks up to their parents like, let it be that I've made you proud in this life. A poor and broke and useless burdened child is not a blessing to their parents. You understand? Every time your father is coming to set you one problem or the other, every time, it's not a blessing like that. Stubbornness is not sexy. See, I'm young, I'm in flash, it's not sexy. You're just stressing your parents. Do what you have to do now. Don't worry. Do your part. God will do his part. Thank you very much. My name is Timi Dakolo.
I have a few questions.